Mastery practice question 8. Given that log x3 is s, log surd y9 is t, express this in terms of s, n or t. Okay, so here we have numbers like x, 3, 9, surd y, and log base 9 here. Okay, so the simplest thing that I can think of is to change everything to base 3. Right, let's try. So this one, you want to change to base 3. Let me show you the long way and then I tell you the shortcut. Okay, the long way, every time you want to change base is log 3, you write log 3 over log 3. Big number goes on top, small number comes below. Okay, so log 3 is just 1. So 1 over log 3x is s. So we swap positions. 1 over s is log 3x. So we can say log 3x is 1 over s. Okay, let's put this here first. Change the position. All right. Okay. Then the next one, this one, same thing. You want to change base, you put log 3 over log 3. Big number goes here, small number comes down here, equals to t. Okay, 9 is 3 squared, and then this square we can bring in front, so it becomes 2 times log 3, 3. It becomes 2 log 3, 3. So log 3, 3 is just 1, right? So this whole thing becomes 2 times 1, which is just 2. Okay, and then we can swap these two. So you can say 2 over t equals to log 3 surd y. And this surd y also, okay, whenever you have square root, it is y to the power of 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 we can bring forward. This becomes 1 over 2 log 3y equals to 2 over t. Okay, I just brought this 1 over 2 forward, become 1 over 2 log 3y equals to 2 over t. Okay, then I just rearranged it. Right. Then this 1 over 2 we can bring over here. So it becomes 2 we bring here becomes times, because here is over 2, right? So 2 you bring here will become 2 over t times 2. So we can say log 3y is 4 over t. 2 over 3 times 2 will be 4 over t. Okay, done. My Apple Pencil is dying, so let's try to solve this faster. Okay, now this one we can change to base 3 as well. So this is our question, log 9x cubed y. Oh, you know what, let me try using a different color so you don't get confused. So log 9x cubed y, this is our question. So to change this to base 3, we say log 3 over log 3. The big number goes on top, small number goes below. Okay, so on top here we can separate them. Since it's x cubed times y, this can become log 3x cubed plus log 3y. Times will change into plus lah. Then down here, log 9 we can change to 3 square. Right. Power we bring down, this power also we bring down. So this becomes 3 log 3x plus log 3y over 2 log 3, 3. Log 3, 3 is just 1. So log 3x is 1 over s. So 3 times 1 over s. Log 3y is 4 over t over 2. Okay, then then we try to expand this. So this becomes 3 over s plus 4 over t divided by 2. So let's try to make the denominator same. Or actually, you don't have to. Okay, 3 over s divided by 2 is 3 over 2s. 4 over t divided by 2 will be 4 over 2t. Okay, so the 2 we write here, because each of them divided by 2. Okay, this is easier. Then this one we can reduce it. So 3 over 2s plus 2 over t will be our final answer. Quite a long question. Done. That's it.